The Apple Watch, 1 million pre-sold orders on the first day, and this is according to research firm Slice Intelligence. But is that really good enough news? Because Apple shares have really been a little bit wishy-washy. And, you know, Quincy, we've seen this before. High flyers, the old adage, you know, buy the rumor, sell the news kind of thing. 2 downgrades on Apple last week. Where are you on Apple right now?
Well, we think it's a very good company, and it's the kind of company that is in so many different kinds of portfolios. Everything from consumer discretionary.
Everyone cheats.
Everyone cheats.
Every money manager cheats. I don't care what the name of the fund is. They got Apple. It could be the Icelandic fishing fund. They got Apple.
Exactly. It's value, growth.
Right.
Apple is there. So, you know, maybe you want to see it pull back a little bit, take some froth off. But the fact of the matter is, it's still a major company. It's not a Neanderthal.
You're holding it, though. Well, you would hold it. People should hold it if they own it.
If they hold it, yeah. If they own it, absolutely hold it. Hold it. Don't go rushing.
If you take away the name Apple and just look at the pure valuations and the chart of this stock, it's one of the most attractive in the market right now. Trading at a PE ratio based on next year's earnings of 13. It's tough to find a growth company that has a PE ratio there. So to me, how do you not own this stock?
They've been a victim of their own success to a certain degree, Hilary, right?
I mean, that's right. And that's why it has to be a totally new course to be taken, and that is how good the execution is of Apple Pay. That's what it comes down to, is if Apple can morph into a bank.
The question is, do you hold the stock throughout all of this, though? Because it looks like it wants to pull back a little bit. I know I'll hold it. The last big pullback, they had like a 20% pullback. I held it and bought more. But we've seen this before, Jim.
Well, look, the only people who may be disappointed will be the high momentum, high growth investors. It may or may not be that kind of stock. But when you look at the financial characteristics, I'm not supposed to talk about individual stocks, but companies like the characteristics Apple has typically don't go to zero. They will participate in a market that's going up.
And Scottie, did you get your watch yet?
I did not get my watch, but let me say, Apple does a great job of self-promoting. I just updated my phone last night, automatically went on and put the Apple Watch app. First question it asked, do you want us to sync with your new watch now? To which I went, screamed a couple curse words at it.
Yeah, well, you weren't the only one, but that might be good news for them. Hey, talking about good